back to this video tutorial. In this video we are going to see how to modify, edit or add resources on the in the course. In order to modify or edit anything, we have to change the view. This view is the general view, is the way how a student is going to see the resources or the class, and we have to change the view. In order to do that, we have to go over this small icon in form of a gear. We click over this icon and we select turn editing on. This is the only option that we are going to use here. Once we click here, the view change, and now I can drop files here. I can modify the name of the topic, or I can add I can delete the different topics here. Okay, and I can add topic. Usually is here in the last button here on the right column. We can decide how many sections or topics we want to add in one time. In this case, let me add only 2. Add topics, and you can see we add number 4 and number 5. Okay, we have announcement, which I can add under this section a different resource also. The other option that we have here, let's add on the first week, add an activity or resources. Let's add an assignment. And this assignment, I select this, but we have different options. I can add a chat, a choice, and you can have in your right side the description of these resources. Usually we use assign, forum, maybe glossary if you want to upload a glossary for the class, especially quiz, that's number 1 for use. We can upload files or entire folder. We can post URL. In this example, I'm going to create an assignment. We click in add and redirect me to add the name of the assignment. Name. I can add a description. This is my first assignment, and I can add a file if you want to, and I can decide which is the availability for this. I have all submissions from, if I decide that the submission can be from today or the next 2 days, it means that if I decide the next 2 days, the system will allow until the date you decide. I will leave it by today, and the due date is 15. Once we add the due date, it means that after that date, nobody can upload the file or the assignment. We disable the remind me to grade by, and that's more of the options that we are going to use here. 2 megabytes is the maximum that you can upload through Moodle. That's the system policies. The other option here, I think, is restrict access, which is a little more advanced. You can restrict access by date or grade if the or user profile. This is a little more advanced, but if you want to access or get more security assessment, you can configure these options. We save and return to the course, and we have our first assignment. Now we have to change the view to turn editing off, and there it is. Now we can see the assignment, and because